Greetings, everybody. This is Pipes, and I am here in Rock Island, Illinois at the 29th Annual Rod Custom Auto Motorcycle and Product Show here at the QCCA Expo Center. So we're going to check things out and see where we go. Loving detail. 1934. It's a unique vehicle. Of course, we're here right before opening time, so we can get a good view of the cars and not have to have people's heads in the way. Some of these displays really get pretty wild here. It's a huge range of vehicles here. 1938 Chevy. Day of the Fins. And there's your clue for the year. Of course, there's the president of the QCCA Expo, non-profit conservation company. Check out this monster wheel on the back of this bike. Pretty incredible. Lots of ingenuity. Here's a 49 Hudson, a doctor's coupe. Get you some information. It says they're stored for over 50 years. It's a 308, 350 horsepower, twin carbs.
Hello.
And this leads over to the North Hall where the Torque Fest pre-party is taking place. There's a car that some of you might recognize from television. A couple of guys going around the country digging through old barns and stuff. That's the Fairlane. And, well, there's the man himself, one of the guys from American Pickers. He's here on his own. Frank Fritz, wonderful gentleman. And yes, there's some motorcycles here. This is checking out the stuff from Nate Ulrich, the Midwest premier motorcycle photographer. He does some incredible work here. We continue on down, a line of booths, come across some bikes here. S&H Customs. They helped us do the River Rat Bike Show last year at the Mississippi River Motorcycle Rally held in Davenport, June 16th through the 20th, I believe. Just check out mrmrally.com. Boy, it's just the list of stuff they've done, the money, the passion that's involved in these cars and the motorcycles. Give you a quick look through again. We'll do a separate shot on some of the motorcycles here as we continue on down. There's some horsepower for you. A 6-pack on the 340, huh? Nice little bit of artwork there. Not a lick of paint on it. Yes, sirree. There's a Demon. It's got that Hemi in it. There's quite a few cars. We might want to pick up the pace a little bit, so we get through all of them here in one shot. Gotta love the flags. This guy's got a mirror set up underneath here, so you can see underneath.
Oh, yeah. I know. Doesn't matter.
Now that's detail. Making her pretty. Car's almost as old as I am. Official merchandise area. Of course, like I say, we are before opening, so not all the vendors are here and ready to go. Look at this monster. A lot of car there. Of course, the folks from the event really do a good job of bringing in some good people. Some of you might recognize that name. Quite an artist. Charger. Look at the chrome and the prettiness and the attention to detail. We have got some incredible cars. Look at all the chrominess. To newer cars. Here's a 2011. All prettied up. Even John Deere little tractors. Check them out. '23T.
It's kind of miserable out, ain't it? Yeah, this thing is big enough to go.
That's pretty sharp. And yes, wouldn't we all love just to keep on cruising all night long? A couple little nice touches. Some more of the bikes. Of course, from Hobart's, a local motorcycle shop. Chrome alternator, everything going on here. And we come across some more of the bikes here. I say we'll get a little bit of video of them on their own. But we are here at the Rod and Custom Show. Gentleman here is hand tooling leather, hanging out with us. Got a new event coming into the Quad City area, the Heartland Jam, taking place in July. We're also got the Bad Ride, the Bikers Against Diabetes. We're an official stop. Actually, in its own individual ride. A few more motorcycles. Told those 3 bikes there isn't a single Harley part on them. Stripped with crushed glass, it says. This will be a fine ride one day. So we got just a little bit of everything here. There's 3D Sounds here. They're handling all the car shows in the area. Another racer. 428 Cobra Jet, baby. Sure like to see inside that motor, huh? Very nice. Nice little Ranger. GTX. Oh yes, nice shape. Roadrunner. There it is, boys. The Coyote Duster. You see the horn. Voice of Roadrunner. Well, that makes it easy to work on things, doesn't it? A lot of motor in this little car. And it is for sale. He's got another dragster. 2 dragsters. Yeah, pretty crazy. A motorcycle, and you see we just got tons of cars. There's the guys from 3D Sound. Jaguar, very nice shape. There you go, look at this thing. 37 Buick. Oh yes. Attention to detail. Morning. Of course, vendors, parts galore. You could probably wrangle enough stuff out of this place to build a car. There's some muscle, huh? 455, baby. It's gonna push it hard. Mercedes-Benz. Can't mistake that grill, can you? There we go. 53. There is a lot of plumbing in this bad boy. Of course, we got the folks from the Quad City Camaro Club here. The very old to the very new. Tons and tons more. We're going to have to shoot another clip because we're hitting that 15-minute mark. Running out on these little go-kart racers. Of course, they do a great go-kart race here in the Quad Cities. Labor Day weekend, I believe. So we still got another few rows of cars to go. This is Pipes. We'll see you in the next one.